Hello friends, hope you are enjoying your time. Today I have come to show you about how to write paragraph because I know that many students or many learners are confused to write paragraph, in which way they should write paragraphs. So I would like to help them today. No confusion should have there in paragraph writing. So let's get started our activity today. Writing three types, any type of writing included in three types, such as descriptive, narrative, methodological. Descriptive, the writings which describe only, in present tense especially, those are called descriptive writing, such as the rainy season or a book fair, traffic jam, load shedding, railway station, bus station. These types of writings are always in descriptive and those are always in present tense. Then narrative, the book fair you visited. Narrative writings are always in past tense. So you can understand how it differs. Descriptive always present, narrative always past. Then I am coming here methodological. Methodological paragraphs are instructive. How to write a CV, how to make a garden, how to make a cup of tea, how to do well in exam. These types of writings are methodological writing, which will help you to know something. In methodological paragraph, there must have some words or some criteria, such as at first, then, next, after that, finally. Surely these linking words must have there. So I hope you have understood actually in which way methodological paragraph is written. Descriptive always in present tense, narrative always in past tense, but in narrative paragraph at the beginning level maybe 2 or 3 sentences in present tense, no problem for that. Methodological, how to, and five linking words must have there, such as at first, at the beginning, next, then, after that, finally. You can add more, moreover, however, these types of words can be used. Then coming tips for paragraph writing. In paragraph writing, we have to write topic, introductory or beginning sentence. Beginning sentence. That is called also topic sentence. If you go to write environment pollution, at that time, what is pollution or environment pollution, you can write introductory sentence. If you go to write a fisherman, who is fisherman, you can write the person who catches fish for livelihood is called fisherman, introductory or topic sentence. Then description. According to the criteria, descriptive of narrative or methodological, not methodological, at the time you can describe. But if the paragraph is problematic, such as environment pollution, at that time, who are responsible for environment pollution, how pollution occurs there, in that way you can say that. And how can we solve these types of problem? You have to mention this type of information there. Then terminator. Terminator means ending sentence. Ending sentence, such as if I say that in environment pollution paragraph, terminator sentence can be with the government, NGOs and all walks of people should take steps, should be conscious of solving this problem or stopping environment pollution. In this way you can write. So I would like to recap again today. Here I have to mention another fact that for class 6 and 7, 80 to 100 words, a paragraph will contain 80 to 100 words. For 6 and 7, that may contain 2 pages. For class 8, 100 to 120 words that may contain 2 pages. For class 9-10, 120 to 150, at best 200. For class 11-12, 200 to 250 words that may contain 4 pages. In this way you have to write. For class 6, 80 to 100 words that may contain 2 pages. For class 8, 2 pages, 100 to 120 words. For class 9-10, 150 to or 120 to 120 less actually. They should maintain 150 to 200 watts. For 11 and 12, 200 to 250 watts. In that way they have to write. I have mentioned that writing 3 types: descriptive, narrative, methodological. Whenever you are going to write something, at that time you have to select whatever it is, methodological or methodology, descriptive or narrative. But I have to mention here that in methodological paragraph, the paragraphs are not becoming so vast or so bigger. At that time the words will contain only 80 to 100 or at best 110 words. At best 2 pages will be there. Whatever it is, class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Methodological paragraphs are not becoming so bigger or larger. At best 100 words you have to maintain. I am writing here again that writing 3 types: descriptive, narrative, methodological. So you have to identify. You have to select actually. You have to identify which one you should select here and which tense should be maintained here. Which criteria you should select or maintain here. Such as descriptive always in present tense, narrative always in past tense. Methodological is also as is instructive. Here sentence various such as you have to do it. You must collect it. You have to follow some rules in this way, or you will have to. Then coming tips for paragraph writing: topic or introductory or beginning sentence must there. Then description you can write in your own way. If it is problematic paragraphs such as load shedding, who are responsible for load shedding, why load shedding occurs there, and how can we solve this problem or load shedding. In this way you have to describe. Terminator, the last tenses, I have mentioned it again. I have told you before. So if I say again, terminator means last sentence or concluding sentence. You can say that such as if I am writing here a fisherman paragraph, at that time we should say that in terminator sentence fishermen are contributing to the society. Fishermen are contributing to the economy of the country also in many ways. So we should respect them and we should help them. In this way you can finish you can complete your paragraph writing. I hope that you have enjoyed very much and you have learned many things from this video. Hope with other videos I am coming to help you. Till then, bye bye.